Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings immediately. Right-click the taskbar or press Windows key +I to get there. Once done, go to Personalization and pick Taskbar. This is where the options live. Make sure you have any admin prompt cleared so changes save. You don't need extra apps. Windows includes auto-hide controls. Now that the taskbar page is visible, you're ready to switch behaviors. Follow the next steps to change visibility and interaction settings precisely. You toggle the auto hide option for desktop mode first. This makes the bar slide away when not in use. If you use a tablet or convertible, also enable the tablet mode hide setting so the behavior matches across device states. Once enabled, test by moving your mouse away. Your taskbar should disappear. If it reappears unexpectedly, check app notifications or pinned apps. They can force visibility. Make adjustments to alignment or overflow to keep the hide consistent and unobtrusive. To finish, confirm the taskbar hides reliably by clicking outside and waiting. It should slide down. If it refuses to hide, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, and restart it. This refreshes behavior without rebooting. Also inspect the notification area. Active icons and pending notifications often pin the bar open, so clear them. If pop-ups are the issue, enable Focus Assist to reduce interruptions. That single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.